get yourself there, honey.
Yes, here I am.
Can you-
Huh? Oh, he's undone.
Hi.
Very tiny.
Hi,
Hello.
Batch.
There we go. One moment.
Sure.
Zoom has been interesting today. There we go.
Oh,
Hello.
hi.
Hi. Hi. I guess I died.
Ah, so,
Deborah, well, repeat me.
I'm going to repeat David. His
Hi,
voice is soft.
because I died.
Hi, Gesundheit.
Okay, here's your seat.
Thanks, Derek.
Thanks, Derek.
Hi, Batch.
Hi there.
Deborah.
Well, here we are at the Oregon Country Fair.
Everywhere. The
We got
fair,
it behind us.
the fair is everywhere.
Bears everywhere. I'm going to repeat what David says, Patch.
So,
Okay.
Patch, you have spoken so much at Oregon Country Fair.
So he says, you've spoken so much at the Oregon Country Fair.
What message do you have to our family
What message do you have to our family
and community?
and community village?
Well, of course, love your life and have fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And if you have food and a friend, what are you bitching about?
All right. All right.
Good point. Good.
So, because there are a lot of people really suffering and hurting now. And don't take it on as a secondary indulgence.
Mm.
Patch, why is revolution important for health?
So, Patch, why is revolution important for health?
Well, I think revolution by itself is a vague term.
Mm.
But if I think of the word revolution, I think of revolving from one thing to another.
Nice.
And if we have, my goal is a world where no one alive knows what the word war means. And so in our current society of massive capitalism where the 1% own most of the world, I think revolution means think that maybe rich means your friends and your care for nature.
Mm.
Yes.
Yeah.
Patch, I'd like people to support the Gesundheit Revolution.
He says, Patch, I'd like people to support the Gesundheit revolution.
Well, there are two of us then.
3.
And do you want me to say how they can do it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. They can go to patchadams.org, find my address and send a check.
Mm-hmm.
I understand they can pay online. That's on our website
that's
too,
on
Derek?
our website.
So you can pay on our website by credit card.
Uh-huh.
And there's also opportunities for a Patreon account where each month they take from your credit card the amount that you recognize.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
And then, I guess a fourth thing is that if you can think of any friends you'd like to help me, then tell all of this to them too.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And Patch, can you explain some of the wonderful things Gesundheit does in the vision of the hospital?
So he says, Patch, can you explain some of the wonderful things that Gesundheit has done in the vision of the hospital?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Well, we want to take it out of the vulgar rich model that is now the #1 reason you lose your home in the US is your medical bill. And we want to make it a service. Not think about what you owe, but what you belong to. And so We have 327 acres in the poorest state for healthcare, West Virginia.
Hmm.
A beautiful piece of land with 3 waterfalls, 4-acre lake, caves behind the waterfalls, a mountain of hardwood trees.
Wow.
And we want to build a 40-bed rural primary care hospital where all the permanent staff live together as a communal eco-village and all make the same salary, somewhere between $300 and $400 a month,
Oh my.
and that each practitioner can spend as much time with the patient as they want. I like 3 or 4 hours for my initial interview with somebody that's an adult, so I can really get to know them. And that there'll be 40 beds for guests, in addition to the patients and the staff. And that would be for our friends or medical people who want to come and learn what we're doing, those kinds of things, or string quartets, and just fun, hard workers. And
Good.
okay, and let's see what else. We will be a permaculture big farm for food, and we will also be an artist colony.
Hmm.
So there will be theater and visual arts and literary arts, etc.
Patch, I donated today.
He said he donated today.
And
Thank
people
you.
can just Google Patch Adams and click.
You can just Google Patch Adams and click.
So Patch, I have one piece of consulting advice.
So yeah, Patch, I have one piece of consulting advice.
As a consultant for Gesundheit.
As a consultant for Gesundheit,
And we know after a sneeze, we say Gesundheit.
you know, after a sneeze, we say Gesundheit.
But what to say after Gesundheit?
But what?
What to say after?
Oh, but what to say after Gesundheit?
Now,
Choo!
in
Gesundheit
in
Institute.
Lithuanian,
In Lithuanian,
thanks is ačiū.
to say thank you, you say ačiū.
So when I hear Gesundheit, I say ačiū.
So when he says, here's Gesundheit,
So-
he says ačiū.
Deborah, I will show you.
We're going to show you.
Ačiū.
Gesundheit.
Ačiū.
Gesundheit.
Ačiū.
Gesundheit.
Ačiū.
Gesundheit.
Ačiū.
Gesundheit.
Looks like it goes on for infinity.
It's like
Exactly.
like the loop,
Like a loop.
like
the
the
loop.
figure eight.
The figure eight.
Yeah. So get
A
back.
loop from the loopy.
So can we start the world's biggest sneeze? And Deborah will say Gesundheit. When we say Gesundheit, you sneeze.
So, did I get that? So we're going to do the biggest sneeze. And so you say,
Ačiū. Give me the world's biggest.
give us the world's biggest sneeze,
Deborah
Pat.
will say.
And we'll say,
3, 2, 1. Achoo!
Gesundheit. Chew.
Gesundheit.
Chew.
Gesundheit.
Now, I hope everyone donates.
Now we hope everyone donates.
It will
Thank you.
make me look really smart.
It'll make him look really smart.
The name of my consulting company is Achu.
The name of his consulting company is Achu. Fancy that.
Inspired by you, Patch.
Inspired by you.
Thank you.
I send my love.
He sends his love.
Bye
Au
bye.
revoir.
Ciao, ciao. Have fun.
Me
Bye.
too. Bye.
Okay, let's see here. What do I do? Uh-oh.
Would you like you to do this, honey?
I didn't see how to leave.
Oh,
All right. No problem.
If you do